Hello everyone, Galaxy Fold is one of the most exciting smartphones of the year 2019, few weeks before Samsung introduced this smartphone to the world. Also, Samsung mentioned that they have been working on this project for more than 10 years. This smartphone will be available for May 3rd, but some tech reviewers have already got the new Samsung Fold on their hands by the Samsung company. So here is summary of the all reviews. First thing is the design. If you ask me why this smartphone is so special, I would say it is because of its design. This smartphone has the most natural form factor for a foldable phone. This folding phone just feels like opening a book. As we all have a long-term experience in opening and closing books, getting used to this new smartphone will be much easier for us. The folding mechanism in this phone is the special design feature in this smartphone. When you are folding, it shuts with the satisfying sound, giving a confidence to the user. Then the fingerprint sensor is located at the right side of the phone, correctly fitting for the thumb of the user. By pressing it, you can access the Bixby. Also, at the bottom, Galaxy Fold has a USB-C port and a speaker. However, there is no headphone jack. Altogether, there are two speakers located in the folds. Other one is on the top. These two speakers are giving high-quality stereo sound with a great loudness. Altogether, this phone weighs about 269 grams, while iPhone XS Max weighs 208 grams. We can say that the design of the Galaxy Fold has the design of the future smartphones. Next is the display. Galaxy Fold has two screens. The first screen is the 4.6-inch screen when the phone folded or in phone mode. This is a AMOLED HD+ display but much smaller. The second screen is the AMOLED QHD+ 7.3-inch display. The both displays are fantastic and clearly visible at outdoors. However, there is one fairly major point to note about the display: the crease. When you look at the phone at an angle, you can see a crease running in the middle where it folds. This is the only major issue that I was able to notice in the display. Third is the performance. The 4.6-inch display operates as a fully functional smartphone, so apps and games work as you'd expect, but play games with the small screen will be weird. The small screen is good for phone call and messaging. For gaming and other big functions, you should use the big screen. With the 12GB RAM, this smartphone is performing very smoothly. There is no lags as I noticed. This smartphone also have multitasking function, which will be more useful for creators and students. With 7nm octa-core processor, the performance is great. Next is cameras and batteries. Samsung Galaxy Fold has 6 cameras. The main trio are found on the rear of the device. 12-megapixel camera joined by 12-megapixel telephoto lens and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. This 3-lens captures really high-quality pictures. The front cameras also captures pictures equal to the quality of the rear cameras. This smartphone has 2 batteries, which provides total capacity of 4,380 mAh. This much is enough for the phone to give a whole day battery life. Now here is the final verdict. This phone might be so weird for many people because of its weight, but this will be a great piece of tech for those who want latest tech in their pocket. 3 reasons to buy this phone are: supremely cool, great display and 6 cameras. 4 reasons not to buy are: noticeable crease and large screen, huge price, no 5G and no expandable storage. That's it all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest tech updates and gameplays. Like and share this video. Peace.